You guys, today we got a cab height fiberglass V series. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Silver in color. This one's in pretty good shape. Doesn't have a lot of problems on this one. Paint looks good through here. Does have the Yakima racks on the top. There's a little spot, looks like tree sap right there. Top looks good. Paint down through here looks nice. Really on this side, I'm not seeing anything wrong with this at all. Bottom edge looks good all the way through here. Does have the half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. Small chip right there. Nothing through here. Paint looks good all the way through here. Bottom edge under the window looks nice. Does have a little bit of a scuff mark on the corner right there. Bumped against something. And then there's a small chip right there in the paint. Top looks good. Does have the aero bars on the Yakima racks. The aero bars, a little bit higher end bars. It's not supposed to. Oh, there's a chip right there. Just there. It's not supposed to make as much noise when you're driving down the road. A couple small chips in the paint right there. And then you got one down there. Right up. Bottom edge on this side looks nice. All the way through here. Does have the half side sliders on this side as well. Small scratch in the paint there. Small chip right above it. Oops. Paint looks good all the way through other than that. Single T-handle locking rear door. Does have the pet screens in it. So if you got some animals, you don't have to worry about them clawing through the regular screens. LED dome light on the top. Bare fiberglass as far as the interior finish. Pet screens on this side as well. Screens look good all the way through here. There it is, built specifically for a 14 Chevy 1500 double cab 6.5 foot bed. It is 636R GAN Silver Ice is the code, paint code, Silver Ice. So that fits the 14 to 18 body. GMC, Chevy GMC trucks. So there it is. Got a cab high fiberglass ARE V series. Fits a 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Silver Ice is the color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. You can purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased online from that website, from that point there. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you want to keep up to date what's coming in, and we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on what's coming in as we get it. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.